and pray. Dear Lord, just thank you again for the day. Thank you for the lessons you've given us. Thank you for the students here. Just pray you may help them in their classes. Help them be focused. Help them be diligent in their work, Lord. In Jesus' name, amen. All right, anybody have any questions on your homework? Yes, sir.
Unit number 10 on page 348.
All right, the volume of a cube can be expressed by a polynomial of degree 9. What is the degree of the polynomial that represents each side length? Each side length. All right, so volume is, what is the units for volume? Cube, units cubed. All right, so they say the degree of the polynomial that represents our volume is 9. Okay, what multiple of 3 is that? 3. All right. So therefore, how do we get volume? Length times width times height. And that's how we usually get units cubed. But seeing my polynomial is 9, that means each one of my side lengths would be a degree of 3. Because we'll have 3 times 3 times 3.
The answer is 3.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
Were we supposed to do page 343 or 348?
348.
I added 343. Seems kind of weird.
Yeah, because you didn't recognize it, did you?
I did it. But
Okay.
I don't really recognize it.
Any other questions?
Can you do 16 on 348?
Find the zeros of each function and state the multiplicities of any multiple zeros. So the one says 3x times x plus 2 cubed. All right, what are my zeros?
Would one be -2?
One is -2,
The other one 0?
0. And what multiplicity of 0 would be?
1?
1, and the multiplicity of -2 would be?
3?
Right.
Real simple.
Is that?
It's just that simple.
Number 88.
Which one?
And 272.
272, number 88. All right.
It didn't say to graph it, and I didn't know how to solve it.
So we get y is less than x plus 4, which is what? What does x plus 4 represent? Anyone, what does x plus 4 represent? Anybody know? Everybody should know.
It didn't say to graph it though. I thought maybe I was supposed to graph it.
That's the only way you can solve inequalities, right?
Oh. Alright.
So what does x plus 4 represent? Anyone? Yes. Of what? Slope-intercept form of what? What is x plus 4?
The binomial?
It is, but what does it represent? X plus y, alright, y equals x plus 4, and you got y equals x squared plus 2x plus 2. What does x squared plus 2x plus 2 represent?
What do you call it?
A parabola.
I couldn't get the word out. I couldn't remember.
What does y equals x plus 4 represent?
Oh, straight line.
A straight line, yes. So we're graphing a line and a parabola. x plus 4, we start at 4. Positive slope. So there's my line, dotted line. Alright, x squared plus 2x plus 2, I gotta find my vertex. How do I find my h? Negative b, which is negative 2 over 2a, which is 2, which equals negative 1. How do I find my k? My c is 2 minus a, which is 1, and h, which is so negative 1 squared times 1. Negative 1, 2 minus 1 is, so my vertex is at negative 1, 1. Put 0 in, I get what? 2. And therefore my parabola looks like this. Where will I be shading? Bottom of the line, top of the line?
Between them.
Right, top of the line or bottom of the line?
Below the line.
Below the line, where will I be shading? Outside the parabola, inside the parabola?
Inside.
So there's my solution set.
Okay.
Yeah, they ask you to solve inequalities, the only way you can do that is by graphing.
Okay, I thought there was some way to do elimination of substitution.
You could to find out what those points are, but those aren't the only points of the solution.
Okay.
If they were equals, then that's the 2 points that you'd be looking for.
Alright.
Any other questions?
You 78.
Which one?
78.
Four minus 6i over 2i. Alright, can't have the I in the denominator. So how do I get rid of my I?
Multiply by its conjugate.
The conjugate is
Negative I.
negative I. You could have done negative 2i if you wanted to, but negative I would suffice. So we multiply negative 4i plus 6i squared over negative 2i squared. Negative 2i squared is 2. Negative 4i, 6i squared is negative 6. So we're going to divide by 2. I get
Negative 2i minus 3.
and I want to make sure I have it in the correct form, a plus bi,
So negative 3 minus
negative 3 minus 2i. Any other questions? All right, pass those forward, please. All right, tonight you are working on the odd problems in the same 2 pages as you prepare for your test tomorrow. All right, your test tomorrow, very similar to the test that you just had, you have back. So make sure you look over those questions as well, problems as well, as you do that for your test tomorrow. Anybody have any questions? Otherwise, I'm just going to let you work on your homework and try to get that done as soon as you can as you prepare for your test tomorrow. Okay,